All right, how's everybody doing today? Today we are doing 3-15 and we are going to be working on our subtraction again. Okay, so all of this page is going to be subtraction, which is kind of nice. Okay, maybe just write that up at the top and then you will remember. Subtract. All right, so here we go. So we'll do a couple together, but you guys are getting better at subtracting, so I don't want to do too many together. I want you to do that on your own. All right, draw your lines across, and we are ready to go. Number 1, Joey has 450 baseball cards in his collection. If he gives his brother 190 cards, how many baseball cards will Joey have left? Hopefully you were remembering to underline. Mrs. Hagan forgot for a second there. All right, so I'm going to be putting my bigger number on top because I am subtracting. And smaller number underneath. And I am ready to go. Okay, and here we go. 0 take away 0. I can do that, right? I don't have to borrow because it's not bigger on the bottom. So don't immediately, sometimes kids get really excited about borrowing and they borrow when they don't need to. So just be careful that you're only borrowing when it's bigger on the bottom. Now I go to my 10 spot, 5 take away 9, ding, 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 bigger on the bottom, right? That's when I go next door, cross out my 4, make it a 3. That way I can bring one over here, which makes a 15. Okay. Some people like to put the 1 right next to the 5. I like to cross out the 5 and write it up on top. I think it's a little cleaner and a little bit neater. Okay. So 15 take away 9, 6, 3 take away 1, 2. Transfer your answer over to the line, 260. And my label was baseball cards. I can put BC for that. Mrs. Hagan is just fine with that. All right, and that one is done. So you have 4 more of those to do, and then I want to talk to you about the back side. So if you want to pause right now, and then meet us on the back side. All right, here we go. So we are going to make a math drawing for the problem and label it with a multiplication equation. And then we're going to write the answer. And when they say a math drawing, we are going to be doing the array. Can you write that word down? An array is where we use the dots like this. Okay, this isn't the dots, but I wanted to show you. And we did this earlier in the year. We write 3 here times 3 dots on top, and then we write our equation. Who remembers when we did that? Hopefully you do. So that's the kind of drawing when they say math drawing. All right, the car dealership has its used cars arranged in 4 rows with 5 cars in each row. So remember, rows go down, okay? So we're going to do 4 rows. Did I say down? Rows go across. So let's make 4 dots for our 4 rows. Even teachers make mistakes. So now I'm going to do 4 rows. And how many did they have in each row? They had 5 in each row. So I'm going to count the one that's already there. So I'm going to add 4 more to make it 5 in each row. You can use a marker if you want. Make them a little more fun. Okay. And here we go. All right, perfect. And then we're going to put our number right here. And let's put our number on the bottom just because we don't have a lot of room at the top there. So how many dots are on this side? There are 4 dots. And then I want you to put the number here. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Then I need you to write your equation, up on the line. Something times something. We know that first number is 4 because we already wrote that one in. Okay, and then your answer. Okay, and then cars for my label. And then you've just got some basic subtraction problems here. Just be careful that you borrow when you need to, okay? And I'm going to say that this bottom one can be extra credit, even though stretch your thinking is down here. Let's cross that one out. I'm going to say that this is the extra credit one, okay? And I think you might be able to do that one. So you decide. All right. Have a great day.